Yes, yes. Yes, good morning, class. My name is Osoro Julius. I'm going to take you through the question here, which is from a topic in Form 3, further logarithm. And the question says that evaluate log of 0.072, given that log 2 is equals to 0.3010 and log 3 is equals to 0.4771. Now, I want us to see on how we can solve this question so that we can arrive at the answer. Now, I want us to begin from the first step. So our question is what you've been given here to be log 0.072. So we can have the question down. This is log 0.072. Now we can express this 0.072 in factors of 2 and 3, because we have been told that log 2, we have been given log 2 and we have been given log 3. So we express this one with the factors of 2 and 3, and if possible we can have the factors which we can get the log direct from the calculator. Now we know that this 0.072 can be written as, so this one the same as log 72 divided by 1000. So this one the same as log 72 divided by 1000. And this one again can further be written as using rules of logarithm. It can be written as log 72 because this is a division. Now 72, because this is a division here, we subtract by log 1000. So this one, this log 72 minus log 1000 is the same as log 72 over 1000. Now again, this 72 can be written in terms of factors of 2 and 3, so that we have it as log over 8 times 9, because 8 times 9 is the same as 72, then minus log 1000. Again, we can write further these ones. 8 can be written in factors of 2, so which can be written as log. It will be the same as log 2 power 3 times 3 power 2. So this one here, the same as what we have written there. Now, again, because here we have a multiplication, we can use the rules of logarithms so that we have it as log 2 to the power of 3 plus log 3 to the power of 2, then minus log 1000. We know the log of 1000, the answer should be equal to 3, because we are taking the base of this one to be 10, so that the answer of the log of 1000 becomes 3. So that one becomes 3. Now these ones, because they are powers, they can come here, so that we're going to have 3 into log 2 plus 2 into log 3, and then minus 3. But we have been given the logs of 2 and logs of 3, so we can come and lift these ones from here. So log 2 is the same as 0.3010. So we're going to have our workings to be 3 into 0.3010, and then plus 2 times 0.4771, then minus 3. So if you work it out, then you are going to, let me just take my calculator here, you're going to get log 3 times that log becomes 0.903, and then plus 2 times 0.4771, which gives us 0.975 minus 3. So if you work it out, then you are going to get 1.878 minus 3. And students, I want you to take note that these ones are not natural numbers. they are not natural numbers, so we cannot subtract 1.875 minus 3. If you subtract that way, you are going to get a very wrong answer. Then what you must do, we know that in this number we have got the characteristics and the mantissa. So this 3 is just the characteristics from the concept on logarithms. So we are going to subtract it here, so that we have got 1.878 minus 3 this way. So you should not subtract this one using the calculator. You're going to get very wrong answer. So this one becomes 878 point. This one becomes but 2.878. This one becomes our answer now. So we should not subtract direct, and that's where most students, they don't get it right. Now, when you want to check that question, maybe if you are checking the question, what you can do, then you can write this number in standard form, because we know that we divide the slabs into 3. We have got the slab, we have got number, and then we have standard form. From there we get the logarithms. So what you can do, you can get the log. If you have to check using the calculator, then what you do, you check the log of log 7.2, which gives us the number which is 0.857. Then now the one which in standard form, meaning that you're going to get the log of 100, which is the same as part 2. So part 2 again, if you work out, you are going to end up with the same answer. So this one becomes our correct answer. Make sure you follow the steps. From step 1, we explain the 72 in factors of 203, because that's what you've been given here. And then you come and work out this way using some rules, following rules of logarithms. Just follow through the method here, and then up to the point where you're subtracting the characteristics and the characteristics. From there you get your answer. Okay, now that's what you're expected to do. Thank you.